Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on MEGOGO's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on your MEGOGO's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your MEGOGO application on your device. The official page of MEGOGO application will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the account you're using and the home page of MEGOGO's account will be displayed on the page. From the home page, click on Profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the Profile section of your MEGOGO's account. Scroll down and tap on Settings. On the next page, click on Interface Language option. Choose the language to what you like to change to and tap on it. Once you're done, it will change your language on your MEGOGO's account in no time. This is how you can change your language on your MEGOGO's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.